welcome to Tech Tour. Today I am going to talking about Zoom Pro, and this Zoom Pro is 300 participant. Nowadays people are doing their meeting, and the meeting is so important to all of us. If the meeting is hampered, people's work can be hampered. So once a businessman, a teacher, and a IT instructor, and some entrepreneur also need the Zoom. So this is for you. If you are a Zoom user, I will provide you 100 participant license for monthly and 3 participant license for monthly. If anyone need this type of license, they can contact with us, such as this is 300 participant, and you can host up to 30 hour per meeting with up to 300 participant. That means you can do meeting at a time with 300 participant, and also the meeting will be 30 hour longer. So that's it. And also from there you can change your name, change your profile picture, and the link of you have. So if anyone need, you can knock us on our Telegram or WhatsApp. We will provide you. That will be the monthly service for all customers that will come to us. So now I am going to share you something about its meeting. First of all, go to Zoom where you have logged in it. That's the Zoom account of your. Now what should do? Now that's a meeting, and there will be the in the corner, up corner, you will have your profile. Here all setting you will got. There's video setting, also have the audio setting, the screen, share screen, everything there is. You can set anything from there. And now go for if you go for the meeting, cut it. And now I'm going to show you the meeting, about meeting. If you on the meeting, see the meeting has started. And now how can you that's already started, so I'm going to off my video. Now here you see you are already started the meeting, and you can also share your screen from there. If you click desktop or Chrome or any browser, from there you can choose. And also one feature also available for the Zoom Pro, that is the streaming. If you want to stream on Facebook and YouTube, something like that, on any social platform, you can choose the Zoom Pro. If you have Zoom Pro, don't need to worry. You can do your meetings very perfectly. Then come recording. Here's the recording you'll got. This is the recording. Record to this computer, record to cloud, and anything. You can choose anything from there, and the record will be found in your account. I'll show you the recording. You can record full your meeting. And now how can you find your record from the Zoom Pro? That's the point, every Zoom user, that how will you find the Zoom Pro's recording. So if you are a new user, you must know that. So simply ending your meeting. So if you go again to your profile, from the corner you'll got the page. Wait for coming, and that is the page. Here is the option of recording and transcript. If you go there, recording and transcript, this is the option of finding your recordings. If you are a new user, you must know these things. This is cloud recordings. Right with me, computer recordings. If anyone you selected from the recording time, your recording will be here, and you can take it from as a document and export from there also, and you can share it from and any social media. And that's it about Zoom Pro giving these features. And hopefully this video is helpful for you, and those guys are need the Zoom Pro as their monthly for meeting. You can choose us, you can contact with us. We will provide you in low price Zoom Pro, 100 participant, 300 participant. And maybe this will be helpful for us and our the people who are user of Zoom Pro. And we will provide you full month support. If you got any problem, if we try to replace you, cause Zoom users, I saw that Zoom users are very mind good minded, cause they don't want money, they want a good meeting. So the responsibility is our to provide you good meeting. So if you need, you can contact with us on Telegram or WhatsApp. We will provide you monthly service. If any problem in 1 month, we will replace it. If we can't replace, we will refund you for sure. And hopefully this will be helpful for everyone. Contact with us. Thank you for watching.